Hi guys, today is a very special day because I already got my purchase, which I bought a LED light for my room. So let's start putting this in my room. It's only cost 457 guys. See? It's very affordable. It's from China and I already put a disinfectant here. So yeah, it's good. Alright, so let's unbox this. Paano ba to?
A few moments later.
Ang sealed.
Much later.
OMG! Ito na talaga. Oh my god. It's thank you for ordering Dian LED official store. So I will put the link for this store guys at description box below. And here it is. Lazada. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, so I already unboxed the Lazada delivered earlier. It is from Dian LED official store, and I will put the link to the description box below. And here it is today. Dang, it's so nice, and I really love it. Alright, as you can see guys, it's already lighting with different colors, and the remote control here for this LED light is also working. So it's the best delivery that I've had. So if I click off, and it will be off. Click on and it will be on. It's for flash, and if you choose red only, just click red. If you want green, you just click green. If you want blue, you just click blue. Click yellow. It will be this combination of green and red. And if you click orange, it will be still combination of green and red. If you want to click violet, it will be a combination of blue and red. For this, it's a combination for blue and green. So yeah, it's still working. I got a nice package from Dian LED official store in Lazada.
eternity later.